Hi, now let's talk about one of the most common conditions that we see as podiatrists in our clinic, which is heel pain and plantar fasciitis. Here are my top tips of things you can try at home. Massage ball, it's going to be your best friend. So make sure you massage the heel and the arch of your foot out, really rolling through that area and focusing on the tight muscles. Now, initially when you've got heel pain, this is going to be really painful. But the trick is to push through and to keep going, because you'll actually get, what you'll find is as the tissue softens, it'll actually get a lot easier to do, and you'll start to feel a lot of relief from it. So keep this in a place where, when you're first up in the morning, you can try it, or at the end of the day, you can try it. It's really helpful. I've also listed a lot of exercises that you can try for heel pain on another video, so go check those out. They're really, really useful and they can help you straight away with a bit of pain relief as well. Heel cushions, so anything that cushions the heel that you can slip into your shoes to elevate the heel a little bit and provide a bit of shock absorption is useful, particularly in shoes where you can't fit insoles. They can be really helpful. Compression sleeves, so the way they work is they can apply compression to the area, they reduce fluid, which ultimately, reduces the pressure on the nerve ending, so it helps to reduce pain, and it also helps to promote healing and recovery as well. So they're really useful with heel pain. Insoles, so if you want to just try something off the shelf, these are really super safe. They help hold you in what we call a safe or neutral position. You can also try something a little bit more customized from your podiatrist or healthcare professional. And in a lot of cases with severe plantar fasciitis, custom-made orthotics can really prove to help reduce those symptoms in the end, which is really helpful. And the other thing that I really recommend a lot of is physical therapy on your foot and your calf when you're dealing with heel pain. And that includes a range of different techniques. So from remedial massage, massage at home, to dry needling, acupuncture, laser therapy. We often, in our clinic, we use a lot of hands-on, therapy with different acupuncture tools, which actually helps to get right down to those deep knots in the muscles. Because often with heel pain, you'll find that it's either referred from the calf muscle or higher up the body. So it's really important to focus a lot on the other areas. So your hamstrings and your calf muscles, and making sure they're nice and loose, because that will reduce pain down to the heel as well. And then some other tips at home is obviously your heat sprays. So using your creams, your magnesium sprays and magnesium tablets and things to help with the muscles, and using heat baths with your Epsom salts are fantastic, really nice to unwind at night time. And just making sure that you don't overdo the exercises in the beginning. So I always say to my patients, if something hurts you, don't do it. So even if you see an exercise that I've recommended, if you try it and it actually makes your pain worse, then you should always stop and get some further advice rather than continuing. A lot of patients that I see with heel pain, they either do a lot of calf raises and they're over exercising, and it can actually make the pain worse. So always listen to your body. Last of all tip, make sure your shoes are right. If you're not wearing supportive shoes, you can end up with all kinds of issues. And that is shoes to work, and it's shoes to the gym, and it's shoes around the house, and making sure that you have the optimum support where possible. And I hope you found those tips useful in managing heel pain.